Don't throw away that forgotten garlic. One single clove buried in backyard soil becomes something magical. Always choose the biggest outer cloves. Those are the ones that become the most powerful plants. 2 inches deep, pointed tip up, flat base down. Press the soil firm and let the magic begin. Day 7. Tiny green spears are already pushing through. Garlic wastes absolutely no time. Day 21. The backyard row is filling in fast. These leaves are building the bulb underground right now. Month 4. The scape is curling upward. This is the moment every garlic grower lives for. Month 7. The leaves are yellowing. Time to reach in and pull out something unbelievable. 1 clove became this entire bulb, and seaweed water made it happen faster than anything else.